Hey, I'm gonna give y'all a how-to. If y'all don't know this, I didn't know this. Man, if you got GMC 2016 Terrain, the one I got, you feel me? My radio locked up on me 2 times, so now I could do it because I know exactly what I'm doing. You feel me? But all you gotta do is go to the fuse box. You know what I'm saying? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 5. You take out the second one. Wait like 10, 20 seconds, however long. You put that motherfucker right back in. Because you know it, because like me love slapping. You feel me? Because it was locked. You know what I'm saying? It said lock. It didn't say what it say, you know what I'm saying? Right there, right now. It said lock. So I just did that, slid that out, slid that back in, and voila. I got radio again. So a nigga about to be slapping again. It's your boy Rob Z signing out now. Yeah.